Hearty welcome to all the participants of Varanasi region to the e-learning online course on designing e-resources designed by Kendriya Vidyalaya Sangathan, Zonal Institute of Education and Training, Mumbai. Let us have a quick look at the course content. Managing files and folders. Very important topic, since the teachers, those who are preparing resources, should manage the files and folders containing the resources effectively so that they can share it with the children. Introduction to MS Word, as MS Word is highly useful in preparing handouts and question papers. Preparing PowerPoint presentation with the narrations and converting the same to video. Normally, the teachers will be using PowerPoint presentations in the classroom teaching. Suppose the same PPTs are prepared with the narrations by the teacher himself or herself, the students can learn better and the same can be converted into video. Then suppose if the video is made in a very huge video having more length, then you will learn how to slice the videos into pieces, then uploading the video you have made in a YouTube channel. Then preparing online quiz. Normally the quiz is a better assessment you can think of, but if the same quiz is made online, the children will enjoy better. Then preparing interactive worksheets using free open software. Then preparing audio files using free open software. Then storing and sharing the resources you have prepared and documenting all the content online through Blogger. The contents which you have seen now of the course is shared through a dedicated URL for training to Kendriya Vidyalaya teachers in Yaksh platform. The URL is created by FOSSWE, free, libre and open source software for education, project team of Indian Institute of Technology, Bombay. We sincerely thank the FOSI team for creating a dedicated URL for the training of Kendriya Vidyalaya teachers. The self-learning contents of the course are presented in the form of videos in the Yaksh platform. Let us see what you have to do to register and view the content. You have to log into https://kvs.ztrg.fossw.in to register and view the contents. Let us start. I will show you. This is the website https://kvs.ztrg.fossw.in. Open it. The first page, it will ask you your username and password. You are a new user now who is going to register at Yaksh platform, or click new user. It will take you to the next page where it asks your username. Select an username. Type the email ID, valid email ID. Select a password which you can remember quickly. Confirm the password. Give your first name, your last name. In the roll number, please type your employee code. And in the institute, you type name of your KV. And in the department, you type Kendriya Vidyalaya Sangathan. And in the position, you type your designation. I repeat once again. Select a username which you will be using to log in to this KVS ztrg.fossw.in to view the content. Give a valid email ID. Choose a password, a better easy one. Confirm the password. Give your first name. Give your last name. Here in the roll number, you type employee code. In the institute, please type the name of your Kendriya Vidyalaya. In the department, you write either KVS or Kendriya Vidyalaya Sangathan. In the student faculty research, you please give your designation PGT, TGT, PRT, whatever may be. Then click register. Please select the username, write the email and then click register. Then you will get one email verification from Yaksh immediately. Open it. It will read, to activate your account, you have to click the following link. You have to click the link to get it activated. I am clicking it and automatically it will get activated. Then click home. Then you have to log in into your account. You can directly log into your account with the username and password which you have already given. Your name will appear on the right side. Now you will see Yaksh demo course and welcome to Yaksh platform. Please don't enroll for this. Don't enroll for Yaksh demo course. In the search box, you type Varanasi, Varanasi. I repeat once again. In the search box, please type Varanasi. Don't enroll for this Yaksh demo course. Then click search. It will take you to the online course on designing e-resources Varanasi region. I repeat once again. In the search box, you type Varanasi and then click search. It will take you to online course on designing e-resources Varanasi region. Click enroll. Now you have been enrolled. Once again, don't start this Yaksh platform and Yaksh demo course. You have enrolled for online course on designing e-resources by Kendriya Vidyalaya Sangathan. Start. Again it will take you the next page where you have to start. Remember here 0% complete. The percentage you have completed will be shown over here. Therefore click start. Well, now you have entered the course now. On the left side you are seeing the lessons arranged in order. The lessons are arranged in order. Here by clicking it you can make it into a full page and you can start reading it. Online course on designing e-resources Varanasi region. There is a kind of little bit introduction is given. After reading it you click start. When you click it, it will take you to the lesson number 1, managing files and folders. Again you can make it into a full page. Here some kind of introduction about that lesson is given. Managing files and folders about that. And below that one video is embedded. You can watch the video. You can click it. Welcome to the e-learning. Okay, you have to watch the video totally. Remember, you will be given quiz and assignments based on these videos only. Okay, I have seen it. I will click next. It will take you to the number 2. That is preparing reading material text and work. Okay. Now, one thing you have to be very careful. Some of you may be interested to jump. For example, without seeing the second one, I want to jump to this. It will not allow you. You have not completed previous lesson and quiz. You have to start. Again, you have to come back. I repeat once again. If you want to see the lesson number 2, you should have seen lesson number 1. If you want to view lesson number 5, you should have viewed lesson number 1, 2, 3, 4. All the lessons should be viewed in order. All the lessons are in the left side. Please view them in order. Every lesson is containing some introduction followed by a video embedded there. No need to go to the YouTube and see it. You can see it here itself. Watch the videos. You will be given quiz and assignments based on these videos only. Please see all the videos in order. Don't try to see the videos all at the same time and finish. Please take your own time, see the videos, learn it carefully and try to answer the questions. The quiz and assignments will be based on maximum 3 videos. For example, The first quiz and assignment will be based on the lessons 1, 2, 3. Please see it carefully, answer all the questions in the quiz and do the assignment, and you have to submit. Hope that you will enjoy the course. Happy learning. If you have any difficulty, you can contact Zonal Institute of Educational Training, Mumbai. Thank you, friends.